First of all, look at my head. Look at my roof. Look at my roof. This is a mess. But it's okay that I'm looking a fool today because I actually have a little project going on in my room. And so I'm going to just flip the camera around real quick so y'all can see it and let y'all know what's going on. What's up? It's your girl P Hope and I am back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but you know, nevertheless, I am here. But today is a different kind of video. I wanted to do a home improvement video. I don't think this is my first home improvement video on my channel. I know I have one that I've previously recorded, but I don't know if I've uploaded it yet. But yeah, from time to time, y'all will definitely see home improvement videos on my channel for the simple fact that, you know, I like to look out for my homeowners. I like to look out for people who are thinking about becoming a homeowner, because I know when I thought about being a homeowner, I thought about the responsibility. I thought about if something tear up, I can't just call to the rent office like, yeah, girl, y'all need to come fix this. Like, no, that's on me. And I also thought about how, you know, I can't just walk into a new residence and just say, oh, you know, I love this finish, I love this, I love that, and everything is already how I want it. No, when you're a homeowner, especially in a situation like mine, where I have my house built from the ground up, you have to design everything the way that you want it. So from time to time, y'all will definitely be seeing little home improvement upgrades that I am going to be doing to my home, because I want to let you ladies know that, you know, you don't have to pick up the phone and call 1-800-handyman every time you need something done. There are things that you can definitely, you know, upgrades you can make yourself and save yourself a whole lot of money in the process. So today I want to show you guys my accent wall in my bedroom. Now, I have wanted an accent wall for I don't know how long now, but I finally settled on a color. I went through so many colors, and I think I actually have a clip at some point in this video where y'all will see a couple of color swatches that I had done through on my wall before I came up with what I really wanted. And I finally settled on a color. So the point of this video is not for you to ooh and ah about the color that I chose, because it's my color. I love it, but you are welcome to your opinion. You know what I'm saying? If you like it, let me know you like it. If you don't like it, if it's not your style, you can let me know that too. I'm not a sensitive person. But yeah, nevertheless, I just want to let you see the video to let you know how easy that it is to create an accent wall. It's not bad at all, guys. So I'm gonna quit running my mouth and we're gonna get into it. And I think all together this took me, because my daughter wanted to help me, so she did a good little portion of the wall, but I did most of it. But you know, I did appreciate her help. She's a very helpful child. I love her so much. But yeah, so this whole process took us, I'll just say us, about 2 hours. But I feel like even if I did it by myself, it still would have took about 2 hours. And that's because this was my first time ever picking up a paintbrush. Like, y'all, I don't even know how to apply makeup on my face. So I mean, I am completely lost. I've never painted a picture, a postcard. I've never dealt with paint at all since I was in, you know, daycare, kindergarten. That was the last time I dealt with paint. So it may not even take you that long if you are familiar with painting. But for me, since I am a painting virgin, this project, that's the word I'm looking for. This project took me about 2 hours, and I'm very pleased for this to be my first time. So without further ado, let's get into this quick video. Look at the foolishness. This is the foolishness that is my room, okay? Now, I know you see this primer. This primer is on top of all of these rainbow of colors up under there. That's because it has taken me about 3 to 4 weeks to finally find a color that I really wanted on this wall, and I finally found it. So you guys, this will be my very first time painting. So this video is probably gonna end up being real quick, because I'm probably just gonna show you the before and then show you the after, and I won't do a full room tour until another vlog. I might set the camera up so that I can just kind of vlog the process of me painting for the first time. So just in case any of you guys are a first time painter and you're trying to wonder, is it hard, is it easy, is it in between, you can just kind of, you know, see it for yourself. So as you can see, this blue stuff all around the wall, that is nothing but painter's tape. I got this from I got everything from Home Depot. I got my primer. I did sample paints. That's what you see up under that primer. And I have my paint that I'm going to be using right there on the floor. Yeah, so I have outlined everything that I don't want to be painted, and we'll see how well that this particular painter's tape worked out for me. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so this is my workspace. I'm going to come all the way down this whole wall. That will be my accent wall. So the first thing I'm about to do is clear out my workspace and set up the painter's paper, which you can't see from right here because it's behind that comforter. I'm about to set up my painter's paper and this painter's blanket, so that we will not get any paint on the carpet, and everything else is already prepped. So yeah, that's that part. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all the little bit of stuff that I have to get started. So hopefully I have everything that I need. This was the painter's paper that I was telling y'all about a few seconds ago, and this is what it looks like with me setting it down. And then there's the painter's blanket that I was talking about. So I got paper and a blanket, and then on the other side of that I'm gonna just do paper again. I wanted to put the blanket right there because this is the section that I'm gonna let my daughter help me with, because she wants to help, and this is a fun little project that we can do together. So yeah, I just wanted to be on the safe side and let her use a little something thicker and wider than this painter's paper. So I'll be on the paper, she'll be on the blanket. So yeah, got painter's paper. This is the brush that she'll be using. It's very small, and that's because I bought a professional painter's kit, and it only came with this small one and then one big one, and then it has different like it came with extra refills. So I guess if this one gets too spongy or you have to switch colors or whatever the case may be, you could do that. But since I'm only doing one color, this kit works fine for me. So yeah, the painter's paper. This is the rolling brush that my daughter will be using. This is the painter's pan. I know I'm not probably calling that the right name, but this is the pan that I'm going to have my paint in. This is the pan my daughter's going to have her paint in. I got a mask that I'm going to put on, the KN95, just so that I won't be inhaling so many fumes and getting high off the paint. It came with a professional thin angled brush as well that came in the kit, and I think I got 8 pieces for this kit for like $20. So this is my first time painting, so I'm not sure if that's a good deal or not, but the price was right for me, so I got it. So yeah, got that angled brush, like I said, that came extra, and this is the actual paint that I'm gonna be applying. So this is the Bear Dynasty. Now, when he asked me at Home Depot what I actually did I want to go with the sample that I had bought in the store, or if I wanted to go with the eggshell brand, he said the only difference was that the Dynasty is a 1-coat paint, and the eggshell, you know, you might have to go over it a couple of times to achieve the color that you want. So I told him to just go ahead and keep the Dynasty, and that was like a $30 difference. So if you go with the eggshell colors, it's about $27, but this particular can of paint cost me $65. So yeah, you paying like double because it's only one coat. Okay. Last two things I got is this what is this called? Paint can spout, so that you can pour your paint into these little pans without it making such a mess. So I got one of those. And then they give you a free can opener, paint can opener, anytime you purchase a can of paint. So this was free at the Home Depot. So hopefully, and I got on my gloves, as y'all can see. So hopefully we have all the materials that we need to make this wall come out the way that I want it to. So let's see. Okay, you guys, here is the color reveal. There's before. Here's after. And I just want to show you guys the color. Try to get a little closer up so that you can see the true color of the wall. Okay, so I just wanted to come a little closer and get a close-up so that y'all can see like the true color that I picked. The name of this was, oh y'all, I don't remember, but so yeah, guys, this is my wall. So if you've ever paid any attention to me in the past where I've talked about my favorite color, it's green. So I have went through all types of different shades of green to see which one I really wanted on my wall. And I don't know why I didn't start with green. I was just thinking that it was going to be so dark in my room and bring my room down. That's why I started with those pinksies, rosies, really bright, vivid colors, because I wanted my room to look happy, warming, and welcoming when I come in it. But with green being my favorite color, that's what this does for me. When I walk in my room now, it feels very serene. It's very calming for me, and it doesn't feel dark. It doesn't feel gloomy. Even on days when it's, you know, really already gloomy outside and rainy, like I still feel very peaceful in my room with this particular accent wall. So again, you know, this might be too dark for you. You may not like it, but I absolutely love it. And it was just not hard to do at all. It's actually kind of therapeutic. And I'm getting ready to go paint my daughter's room. She wants an accent wall now that she's seen mine. And she picked a completely different color from her mom. So I'll be doing a short clip of the after in her room. I'm not going to do a before and after, but I'm just going to show you guys what color she picked for her room, because I was appalled. I was appalled. But and I definitely tried to talk her out of it, but that's what she wanted, and it's nothing but paint. So, you know, it can definitely be, you know, taken care of if the color starts to be an issue. Okay? So, yeah, I'll be doing a short clip of that. But if you're going to end off right here, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. And as I promised y'all, a quick snippet of my daughter's room. Ooh, it's got to focus. As you can see, we still have the blue painter's tape at the very top. We gotta go up there and get that off. But yeah, y'all, she went with red. And the name of this particular red, I don't think it's picking up the same on the camera, but the name of this red is called Flirt Alert. So yeah. But if you want to know like more of what the true color is, it's like a Chick-fil-A red. So that's why I was like, wow, you really want to go with this? But she did, and she says that she absolutely loves it. Oh, if you can see over there by her toys, I did get a little bit of red at the bottom, but I have some white paint that I'm going to cover that up with tomorrow. So don't pay that no mind. But anyway, and she has got a whole new bedroom suit on the way. That's why we had to go ahead and get this accent wall done, because she has completely outgrown this little twin bed. She's got all new, bigger, better furniture on the way. We just wanted to go ahead and get the accent wall done. And yeah, she wanted you guys to see it, so there it is. But anyway, you already know I don't end none of my videos without telling y'all to be healthy, be happy, be safe. This is your girl P Hope, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.